From Bwana.tv, and I want to talk about a little feature in FriendFeed which allows you to add imaginary friends. Now you may be laughing, why would you want to add an imaginary friend in FriendFeed? Well, sometimes you may want to gather information and news from other sources which may not be covered by your actual friends, but you may want to track a certain RSS URL or a certain business website. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. So as it stands, my current FriendFeed stream is lacking gaming news, and I wanna get some more gaming news in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an imaginary friend for joystick.com, and I have joystick.com here in my URL. And one of the cool features about Joystick is that it has embedded video and all that good stuff that I can look at. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the RSS link here, since that'll give me a quick URL for the RSS, and that's what I'm interested in. So I'm going to right click on that URL and copy it to the clipboard. Now I'm going to go over to FriendFeed, and then I'm going to head over here to my friend settings. I click on the friend settings, and that takes me to my FriendFeed friend page where I have all my friends listed. At the top there is a link called Imaginary, and I'm going to click on that imaginary link. Here I can create an imaginary friend for joystick.com. So I'm going to click create imaginary friend. It prompts me for a name, and I'm just going to call it Joystick because that's what I want it to be. I'm going to click create, and now I have the ability to add various sources for this particular imaginary friend. Now if this were a human being, I could add their Dig profile, their Google Reader shared items, their delicious stuff, but in this case I just want to track the Joystick blog. So I'm going to add a blog service by clicking blog. It asks me for a blog URL, and I have the URL in my clipboard. I'm just going to add that, and this blog doesn't have multiple authors, so I'll do import blog. And lo and behold, Joystick has a site listed on the right side, and at the very bottom, if I scroll down, you'll see that I have 19 blog posts imported immediately from Joystick, and these will begin to show up in my FriendFeed stream. And I can click more here to see more. These will begin to show up in my FriendFeed stream as they become available. So this is an easy way to add imaginary friends or add different sources to your FriendFeed stream. Alright, this is Bwana from Bwana.tv. I hope this tip helped.